Thought we had forever in our hands, promises made like castles in the sand. But tide turned and washed it all away. Now I'm left with shadows where you used to stay. Every memory echoes in my mind, the laughter we share and now a distant kind. I was never the one that you wanted near, just a fleeting moment, now it's crystal clear. I'm searching for the light in this empty room, but every corner whispers of impending doom. I gave my heart, but it wasn't enough. Now I'm picking up the pieces of this broken love. You let me go like a dream that fades. Thought I was your sun, but I was just the shade. Now I'm learning to breathe in this lonely space, realizing I was never meant to take your place. The tears I cried for a love denied. I'll find my way to a brighter day. The nights are colder, the silence loud. In a sea of faces, I feel lost in the crowd. You were my anchor, but now I drift, searching for solace in this heartache rift. Time will heal these wounds, I know it's true, but every heartbeat still reminds me of you. I'll rise from ashes like a phoenix and fly, embrace the